Honati Dehumidifier is a compact portable dehumidifier. Dehumidification water capacity 1000 ml, 45 watts low power design capacity 750 ml. Easy use, simple convenient operation panel 1 button start, mode button can be adjusted high and low speeds, when water is full, indicator light will be on. And the dehumidification button can be touched to work. Removable water tank, disassembled and easy to install water tank can hold 1000 ml. Water have float and Buick hand hole. Applicable area, Honati small dehumidifier for bedroom, kitchen, washroom, basement, closet, locker, etc. Small and portable, this portable dehumidifier is mini size, 7.68 x 8.46 x 12.4 inches, and lightweight, 5.95 pounds. You can easily move the dehumidifier to the place wherever you want to.